Crystal, what's up?
I need to take my mind off stuff, so we're gonna go shopping. Hello friends, hello friends, we're here at Ross.
Let's shop with Crystal. We're gonna shop with Crystal. Let's shop with Crystal.
Hello friends, we're here at Dollar Tree and look at these super stinking cute tumblers. I think I'm gonna get the pumpkin pie and use it as decor in the kitchen. So there's 2 left, so I'm gonna grab the last 2. And they have the acorn, they have the turkey, and they have the fox. These are super stinking cute. And then I was also able to find more of the ghost night lights and the ghost. I just showed you guys that. I'm so sorry. I was also able to find the jack-o'-lantern with the witch hat. And then I was able to find another one of the pumpkin spice hand soaps. So yeah, anyways, these are new and these are absolutely adorable, but I think the pumpkin pie one is the cutest. If I could find 2 more, I could make a, let's see, would that work? I probably need, I don't know if, alright, but anyways, we're getting these 2 for sure. And then they also have scented dough. And you get 4. You have the fall leaf, the acorn, the pumpkin, and the football. That's adorable. They also have the stampers, and you get 8 of them. How stinking cute are those? And then they still have a lot of the straw toppers. I already have my straw toppers. I got mine with like the pumpkin spice latte one. And let's see, they have the football, the pumpkin pie. So I like those. These are new. And then of course, these tumblers are adorable. Alright, let me show you what else is super stinking cute. They also have these trays for the children. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Love that. Alright, let's see if there's any other designs. Oh my gosh, look at that one. That one's a different design. The teddy bear. Well, actually, there's all the teddy bears, but there's the deer. That's a cool one. So I like that. And then they have their sponges with the pumpkins and the mushroom and then the turkey and the acorn. Alright, right now I'm in the beauty aisle and they have the Orchid Shimmer Luxe Body Oil and Vanilla Cake. And they also have the Shimmer Luxe Body Oil and the... Oh wait, I think this is just taken off. I think it's missing the top. It's the same thing. Alright, so this is new. It's name brand. So... makes you shimmer. Smells like vanilla cake. Alright. And then we also have these. And this is Smell Good, Look Good Face Wipe Pads. Cozy Glow. You get 40. And I'm trying to figure out what the scent is. Looks like, I don't know. Alright. And I also have Cucumber. Let's see. It's going to tell me... This brightens and hydrates. Smell good. Just doesn't tell me what it... Yeah, I don't know the scent. Alright. Is there... Alright, there's 3. I think this one's like caramel. What's this? Coconut? It's coconut oil. Let's see. What does this smell like? I don't know. It doesn't say. Let me know if you guys know. Alright, so those are new, and those are $1.25. And they're toner pads. Interesting. Alright, they also have Peach Breeze Scented Hair and Body Mist, Tropic Vanilla, Cocoa Splash. Alright, those are the 3. And it's by Be Pure, 4 fluid ounces. So that's new to me. Alright, I think these are the new scents. Sandstone Mist Scented Limited Edition. And then this one is Pistachio Grove Scented. So I do need a couple of more hand sanitizers. Alright, this is marble one. What is this one? That is Mystic. And this one is going to be Twilight. Alright. And what is this one? Dragon fruit. I think we'll get this one. Pistachio. Pistachio will be fine. Get 2 of these. I cannot find Touchland at Target. Go figure. Alright. Let's see what else is going on. Any new body washes? We have bath cloths by Modest. Interesting. More of the macaroon body wash. They still have the strawberry shortcake lip balm. And the soft soap they still have in pumpkin and apple cinnamon. Let's see what else is going on. And then we also have Style and Hold Styling Mist by Amber Glow. And I am seeing, where is it? Alright, Scalp Serum. And a multi-peptide serum for hair. That's new too. Alright, and then the bath bombs, magnesium, calm, lavender, and chamomile. You get 3. And then you also get, this is Tranquil, aloe, and spearmint. And they have natural scents, Epsom salt, chamomile, green tea and chamomile. So the bath bombs look pretty cool. Let me know if you've tried them. They have the Garfield lip balm, SpongeBob, and Smurfette. And then look at these nails. Those are cute. Those are a little almond shaped. And then they also have these, which are square shaped. They also have Pretty Woman, which is sold at Five Below. Velvet nails. They have a lot. Oh, that's cute. It's like the cat eye. That's pretty cool. That's a cool color. I can't believe they have cat eye. Look at these Pretty Woman nails. Those are cute too. Look at, they also have Essie. They have it in the yellow and this, like, I don't know what color that is. Sandstone. And what else do we have? Hold on, you guys. Is this the new one? The Pistachio Paradise, $1.25. Of course, that's the EOS dupe. I think that's new. I have not tried that. Alright. I do know that these smell good. I mean, these I didn't have an issue with. So, we also have the aloe and avocado Yardley petroleum jelly. Not bad. Alright, you know it's official when the Little Debbie is out. Pumpkin spice donut. Fall pumpkin spice mini muffins. The pumpkin spice rolls. Pumpkin delights. We even have the pumpkin gingerbread. Pumpkin brownies, and then we also have the football brownies, and these are going to be $3 a piece for each box. Well, this is interesting. Spaghetti Classics Tangy Italian. I've never seen instant spaghetti. Alright, they also have hamburger helper and cheeseburger macaroni and in beef pasta. That's new. $1.50. We also have Abigail's chocolate mug cake. That's new. Let me know if you guys have tried that. Cooks in 60 seconds. Alright. Sounds good, I guess. I don't know. Let me know. Alright, I have not seen this before. In Wash Fragrance Booster Night Fall Freeze. It kind of looks like it's supposed to be like the Downy. I don't know, but there's another one out here that's like, it's oh my gosh, now I cannot remember the name of it, but I don't know how much it is. Or maybe it was AI generated, I don't know. But if I find it, then trust me, I will show you. Or they sold out. Either or. Oh wait, no, that has to be $5. Palmex, yeah, that's $5. I don't even know what Palmex is, but okay. And then they also have Scotch Brite Leafy Clean. And I actually do like these. I mean, they're not in the shape of an acorn or a pumpkin, but they actually work really well. Right now I have these in my sink and I like it. So it's not the shape that it presents itself to be, but it's all good. Yeah, I don't know if that was like an AI generated pic or, but I mean, hopefully it'd be cool if they do have it, and if I could remember what it is, that'd be even better, right? Okay, we're gonna keep going. Oh, okay, they restocked the blue and white check and the green and white check food containers, the pink and white, the lavender and white. Alright, those have been restocked, that's cool. And they also have these really nice garden flags, welcome, with the footballs and the pumpkins. It's pretty cool. I like that. And then they also have thankful with the sunflowers. And then they have thankful with the triple decker pumpkin and the sunflowers as well. They also have these really cool iridescent pumpkins in white, orange, and kind of a rose pink, and then a black gray. So these are new to me, $1.50. They just stocked all of their JP dupes, and these are looking super stinking cute. So they have all of them. They have the witch, they have the cat, they have the ghost, and they have the skeleton. Look at, they have Jack Skellington, $1.50. Happy Haunting, Beetlejuice, Minions in the Halloween, Nightmare on Elm Street. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Stitch. Look, even the little kids with the candy corn. Wow. That's cool. I can't believe they have Jack Skellington. That is really cool. And the Minions? Yeah. Alright, here is Lip Envy, and it looks like it is in, I'm trying to see if it gives us a color. No, but I'm only seeing this one. I'm not seeing any more. So I know these have been selling out and they're hard to find. But anyways, I was able to find one, so I guess, you know, take what you can get, right? Found more of the Golden Girls lip gloss, so don't give up if you haven't found it. It is still out there. Alright, I'm in the food section. They have the maple cream cookies. They have the Little Cookie Big Taste oatmeal mini creams. And they also have the white chocolate chip. And then they still have the Boston creams. And they also have these cotton candy, little individually wrapped candies. That's pretty cool. I love cotton candy, so that's nice. And then they also have the butterscotch. Not bad. And the lemon. Alright, they have Nadia's Everyday Baking. I love finding cookbooks. I really, really do. Shake, a new perspective on cocktails. Full Out, lessons in life and leadership. Ooh, low carb, quick and easy. Foods you crave the low carb way. That, wow, okay. A Gong's table. Backable. I have some, yeah, wow. Some pretty nice, cookbooks, especially those low carb ones. Not bad. And they also have these harvest platters. And you have the cranberries, you have the pine cones, you have the fall leaves. And then they also have this with the terracotta and the sunflower and the pumpkins. And then we also have this style as well. Let's see. Yep, that's what I'm seeing. Let's see if there's another style. Hold on. Nope. $1.50. And they also have these really big bats, which I think are $1.50. And if you're making a wreath, or if you just want to put them, you know, wherever you want to put them, and put them on your head, you do you. Alright, we have the bats, and then we also have the big spider. So, I do like those. Alright, you guys, I'm actually going to close out. As always, have a wonderful day, wonderful evening. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Thank you so much for joining me here at Dollar Tree.